Hello everyone and welcome to this weekly technical analysis video here at xm.com. So this week we're going to look at the Fed decision that's coming up tomorrow, the ECB decision on Thursday, and on Friday the NFP report. So starting from the Fed decision, which is anticipated to raise interest rates for the last time for this year, so then dollar will react primarily to signals regarding future action. The consensus among investors is that the economic downturn has merely been postponed and has not been averted. This is likely why market pricing continues to predict that the Fed will deliver its final rate hike and the rates will be reduced before the end of the year. So having a look at dollar again, we can see that the price is trying to retest the 137.90 resistance level, but is slightly moving lower. Also, we can see that the price surpassed the 200-day SMA, which was acting as a strong resistance level in the past, as well as the 38.2% FIBO of 136.66. So when it advances above this line here, it may retest the 50% FIBO of 139.60 and the 142.25 resistance and the 61.8% FIBO of 142.50. Otherwise, and drop beneath the 200-day SMA again at the 38.2% FIBO, the price it may re-challenge the 135.15 before resting near the 20-day SMA at 134 and the 50-day SMA near the 23.6% FIBO of 132.95. And if movements beneath this line here, it may challenge again this uptrend line around the 131.80. Also looking at the RSI, it is turning down after the pullback on the 70 level, and however the MACD is still strengthening its momentum above its trigger and zero lines. So moving next, we are going to have a look at the ECB meeting that is coming up on Thursday, and investors are certain that the rate increase will occur, but they are divided on how much it will increase rates. 70% predict a quarter point increase, while 30% predict a higher half point increase. So looking at the euro and dollar, the price is moving near the 20-day SMA around 1.0970 level, and if there is a drop below it, then it may challenge the 1.0910 ahead of this uptrend line here around 1.0870 and the support of 1.825, which overlaps with the 50-day SMA. So any movements beneath this line here, it may meet the 1.0760 and the 200-day SMA near 1.0643, and it will shift the outlook to bearish. On the other hand, if there is a turning above and the price moves towards the 13-month high, it will meet the 1.1095 ahead of the March of 2022 around 1.1180. Currently, the MACD is holding beneath its trigger line in the positive region, and the RSI is moving lower above the neutral threshold of 50, both suggesting that the next movement may be to the downside. Moving forward now, we're going to look at dollar index that we were having the NFP report on Friday, and in April non-farm payrolls are expected to be around 180k, which seems about right given that early signs are sending a mixed hints. So dollar index is holding above the 20-day SMA and is recording the fourth positive day in a row, and is moving towards the 102.45 before meeting the 50-day SMA around 102.65 and the 103 psychological mark. Any movement above this restrictive region here, it may hit the 104.70 and the 105.47, which is taken from this high here ahead of the 200-day SMA around 105.80. On the other hand, any movements lower, it may move towards the support area of 100.42 to 100.68 before meeting the 99.45 support, which is the insane swing high from March of 2022. The MACD is standing above its trigger line in the negative region, and the RSI crossed above the 50 level, both suggesting that we're going to have more gains in the next few sessions. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.